Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why the engine is misfiring after changing the fuel injectors. The first common reason why the engine is misfiring after changing the fuel injector is because you forgot to clean the port. If this part here and here and here and here is dirty and there's a lot of dirt on it, when you install the fuel injector, there will not be a tight seal, and this can cause a vacuum leak. When there is a vacuum leak, this will cause the engine to run rough at idle, and it will also cause an engine misfire as well. If you hear hissing noise coming from this part over here, then that's how you know you got a vacuum leak. And one thing I like to do is I like to spray carburetor cleaner around the fuel injector area. And if there is a vacuum leak, you will hear a change in idle. The next reason why the engine is misfiring after replacing or changing the fuel injector is because the alignment is off. When installing the fuel injector, make sure to hold the fuel injector straight and make sure to push it in straight. If it is installed at an angle like this or it is off, it can cause damage to the fuel injector seals, and this will cause a vacuum leak again. So again, make sure to hold the fuel injector straight like this and make sure the bolts are lined up and make sure to push it in straight until it clicks into place. The next reason why the engine is misfiring after changing the fuel injector is because the clip is either missing or it was not installed properly. If that clip is missing or it is not installed properly, then that fuel injector also will not be installed properly and it will not be secured in place. When that fuel injector is not secured in place, fuel can start to leak out of this connection area, and again, it can cause an engine misfire. The next reason why the engine is misfiring after changing the fuel injector is because you forgot to install the bolt. So make sure to install the bolt and make sure the hole is actually lined up centered. If you try to force the bolt in it, and let's just say the fuel rail is at angle like this and it is crooked, it can cause a lot of issue to this part over here, and it can cause damage to the fuel injector seal. So make sure to install the bolt correctly and make sure it is installed straight. Next, make sure the fuel line is connected properly to the fuel rail. For some vehicle, you're going to need a quick disconnect to remove the fuel line. And if you did not use a quick disconnect and you use a pick instead to try to move the fuel line, you might actually cause damage to the connection area. And lastly, this is probably going to be the most common problem, and that is going to be a bad connector. For most vehicle, one thing I noticed that when changing the fuel injector, the connector always go bad and they tend to crack and they tend to break, and the clip on the connector also break as well. So make sure to check that part as well. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.